What if I told you Amazon is practically giving you Prime membership for free? If you're between 18 and 24, you can snag a 6-month Prime trial at absolutely $0, and it comes with all the bells and whistles. That's right, eligible young adults can try Prime for 6 months without paying a dime. It sounds crazy, but this special Prime for Young Adults program is real, and it could save you serious cash on everything from textbooks to takeout. Prime for Young Adults is basically Amazon Prime at a steep discount for people around your age. Amazon launched this membership so that 18 to 24-year-olds and college students can get all the usual Prime perks: fast, free shipping on millions of items, exclusive deals, streaming entertainment, and more for roughly half the price. In fact, once your free trial ends, you'll pay just $7.49 a month, or $69 per year, which is half of what a regular Prime plan costs. So who exactly qualifies? This is meant for people ages 18 to 24 living in the US, or anyone in that range enrolled in college. All you need to do is prove your age. Amazon makes it simple. You can sign up with your D8 EDU school email address if you have one, or just scan a photo of your driver's license or ID card to show your birth date. Keep in mind this deal is for new members or those switching in, so if you already have Prime, the free trial might not apply to your current account. Let's break down the perks. First off, shipping. As a young adults member, you get the same free fast delivery Prime is famous for. We're talking free 2-day shipping and in many areas, even same-day delivery on tens of millions of products. So if you order textbooks, dorm stuff, or last-minute gifts, Amazon will drop them at your door quickly at no extra cost. Plus, you get access to exclusive deals and events like Prime Day. Entertainment perks are huge too. The Prime Video library is open to you with unlimited streaming of movies, TV shows, and even live sports. Think Amazon originals like Fallout or Reacher, plus the latest blockbusters and comedy specials. On the music side, you get Amazon Music with ad-free listening to 100 million songs and podcasts. Love gaming? Prime Gaming, the gaming side of Prime, comes with free in-game loot every month and even a free Twitch channel subscription. But wait, there's more. Prime for Young Adults tosses in extras just for your age group. For example, you automatically earn 5% cashback on purchases in popular categories like tech, apparel, beauty, and personal care. You don't have to clip coupons or do anything special. The cashback is applied to your account after you buy qualifying items. Every time you buy a new laptop or some cool headphones with your Prime account, 5% of that money goes right back into your Amazon account to spend on future purchases. So you're literally saving money on the things you already want to buy. There are still more perks. You get a free Grubhub membership so you can order late-night pizza or takeout without delivery fees. That's a $120 per year value. If you ever fill up a car, Prime members save 10 Telstra per gallon at over 7,500 fuel stations nationwide. Even small savings add up over time. The idea is this membership covers just about everything: shopping, entertainment, food, and even gas. All those freebies and bonuses mean the membership pays for itself fast if you use them. Okay, let's talk real talk. Is it worth it? Short answer. For many young adults, yes. You'd normally pay about $139 per year for Prime, or $14.99 a month. But with this deal, you get 6 months free, and then pay only $7.49 per month. That's a huge discount. If you're buying things on Amazon regularly, or you love streaming shows and music, you're basically getting all of that at half price. Even if you cancel after the trial, it's like getting 6 months of Prime for free. Signing up is easy. I've placed the official registration link in the description below. Just click that link and it'll take you to Amazon's Prime for Young Adults sign-up page. You'll need to sign into your Amazon account or create one. Then follow the prompts. Confirm you're between 18 and 24 years old by either entering your DoEDU email or uploading a scan of your ID, passport, driver's license. Hit submit, and if everything checks out, your 6-month free trial starts right away. One quick heads up, Amazon can change these terms anytime. Trial lengths, pricing, and benefits may vary in the future. So it's a good idea to double-check the fine print on the official Prime for Young Adults page. The information I'm sharing is based on the latest details we have, but always treat it as subject to change. That said, as of now, this program is a sweet deal for eligible users. So if you fall into the 18 to 24 bracket or are a current college student, do not sleep on this. You could literally be getting free Prime and paying half price after the trial. Click that link in the description, check if you're eligible, and claim your trial while it lasts. Prime Day and every day just got a lot cheaper, and it's one of those deals you don't want to miss.